Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Cook For You presents Prawns Curry. In a mixer jar, add some chopped cilantro. Add 2 chopped tomatoes. 4 to 5 garlic cloves. 3 to 4 green chilies or as per taste. Blend well. Coriander tomato puree is ready. Keep aside, we will use it later. Add some oil in a vessel. Add 10 to 12 curry leaves. Fry few seconds. Add coriander tomato puree. Roast well. At this point, add all the masala. 2 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Adjust the chili as per taste. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1/2 teaspoon coriander powder. Salt to taste. Add 1 teaspoon fish masala. Roast all the masala well. Cover and cook 2 minutes on low flame. Once oil releases, which means masala is cooked well, add 1 big size potato, do not peel. Add 250 grams clean washed prawns. Sauté 3 to 4 minutes. Coat the masala well. Add required water. I added it in mixer pot. Combine well. Cover and cook 8 to 10 minutes or until potatoes are cooked. Sprinkle some coriander leaves. Give it a good mix. Check with spatula whether potato is cooked or not. Delicious prawns curry is ready to serve. Time to plate. Dish out. It goes very well with plain rice, crusty bread or khichdi. Sprinkle some coriander leaves. Enjoy the meal. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.